whole body hurts. I feel like I've been in a car wreck because the pain that I'm having on my lower back and down my right leg is like I was in a motorcycle crash and tore the skin off my leg. And anytime the wind hits that part of my leg that's been quote unquote skinned, it hurts. And that's what it feels like when wind or sheets or other clothing, whatever, goes across my leg. It just sends me through the roof. I wish my coffee pot wasn't out in the kitchen. I should move my coffee pot in here next to the fireplace. Call it my comfort zone. 750 full spectrum CBD oil peppermint from HempWorks. And again, disclaimer link down there, a link to product if I find it when I put this. I haven't found the link yet. So basically the 20 drops that I take is about half a dropper full. Put it on my tongue. It's supposed to be peppermint. Not bad. I put it under my tongue and leave it there for as long as I can, because usually I don't talk when I've got it in there. Alright, I am going to find something warmer to put on, go out and make a cup of coffee. You've seen me make coffee before, so I'm leaving you here. Basically, like I told you earlier, I don't know if it's the last video or if it was in this one, it's just like a cream, and you just apply it. Oh, I'm making a mess. Like right now, this is a trigger area. It's upside down, huh? Well, you're looking at it like I'm looking at it. Anyway, so this is an area that hurts, where it, I don't know, it's like it travels down my leg. I mean, it hurts going down my leg, and then it explodes here, and then it travels down my calf and explodes down here, and right here on my ankle, leg, whatever. I broke that bone years and years ago when I was really young and wore high heels. It was a rainy night, and us girls decided we were going out, so we dolled up. Oh, I guess I might have been in my 30s, maybe, early 30s. And of course, we were all single. We dolled up, met at one person's house, and we all dolled up. Took off, went out, dancing, drinking, dinner. Oh, we did the town up right. We had a ball. Anyway, by the time we got done, of course it was 2 a.m. when the bars closed. And we left the restaurant / bar, and it was raining. We got in cars. We had a designated driver. Even back then, well, we had one girl that just didn't drink. I think she was pregnant. But anyway, got in the well pile in the car, and this girl was dropping us off at our various locations, and I was staying with a friend, one of the other girls. We pulled up in the driveway, and this girl's driveway was like at an angle. I'm sure you've already figured it out. I step out, my right foot, because I'm sitting in the front passenger seat, and I swing around and put my left foot out and stand up, and my high heel goes one way and I go another way, because one, it's a slippery driveway, it's at an angle, and yes, I'd been drinking, and down I went. Oh my God, I broke that leg bone. I don't know what it's called, but it's the one that's on the outside of your leg, just above your ankle. Oh man, hurt like a big dog. But I waited till the next morning. Actually, I think I waited for 2 days, because I knew, I worked at the hospital in Merced, and I knew that if there was swelling, they were just going to wrap it, ice it, and send me home until the swelling went down. You don't put a cast on something that's really swollen, because when the swelling does go down, the cast is too big. They got to take it off and put a new one on. For 2 days, I hobbled around with a broken leg. Where was I going with that story? Oh, pain. There's a lot of pain right there where I broke that bone all those years ago. 30 years ago, I guess. Maybe less. I went online. I'm trying to distract myself from the pain, so bear with me. I went online and I ordered, finally, I'm old enough, my senior lifetime parks permit. Get in either free or a discount. I don't know what it is. I think it's free. All the national parks that I can go to in the U.S. I'm putting this stuff on my hip, and no, I'm not showing you. Let me get this done and I'll be back.